Deal with fire danger in the foothills all along the Front Range. The mountains are dealing with snow. Check this out. This is from our First Alert weather tracker. Just before 10:30 this morning, this is on the road west from Georgetown toward the Eisenhower Tunnel. You can see that truck, oh my goodness, sliding and skidding, eventually getting off the road there. Wow. Your reporter Ashley Portillo has been out on the roads in the mountains all morning. Ashley, drivers need to be careful, and it does look a little calmer than what you saw earlier this morning.
Yeah, Brian, good afternoon. Much calmer now that we are in Idaho Springs, but that video that you had just seen, you were just talking about too, we were actually in the First Alert weather tracker, and we were watching that vehicle just slip and slide across the road. But as you mentioned too, before sliding off to the side of the road, we did stop to make sure that that driver was okay. He did give us a thumbs up, but we spent most of the day, most of the morning over near the Eisenhower Tunnel. We do want to show you some video of what that area looked like throughout this morning, and you can see a lot of heavy snow, especially in that area, a lot of snow squalls in that area, that wind picking up and ramping up at times, making visibility very, very low in that area. At some point too, we also saw some other vehicles that were stranded on the side of the road, some other vehicles that also slipped on the side of the road too. A lot of snow crews and plows also out in the area today. At one point too, we also saw many folks putting some chains on their tires as well before heading through the tunnel and heading more toward the mountains, heading west. Also in that area too, a lot of folks taking advantage of the snow day. A lot of skiers and snowboarders are out as well. That does mean though a high risk of avalanche danger in that area too, so definitely want to keep that in mind too if you're planning on hitting the slopes over the next few days. As I'm sure you can see in my live shot right now, that wind is just picking up. This is what we've been seeing all day long too. You can see back there too, the wind just whipping around some of those the flags back there and everything too, and the umbrellas back there and the trees back there too. So again, just be careful, keep everything in mind too, and take extra precaution if you're heading out on the road today. We're reporting live in Idaho Springs. I'm Ashley Portillo, covering Colorado First.
Yeah, definitely sound advice. Ashley, thank you so much. We are your First Alert weather station. You can see weather